Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. I'm gonna videotape this. Hey Matt, do you think I should post this at the Facebook?
At the group page?
Yeah, at the group page.
So yun, we have to scrape out the stuff.
Wait lang.
Ano ba?
Wait lang, ako na.
Di straight yung podcast.
Ay!
What have you done?
Baka makabutas! Sandali!
No, Joanna, lift it up first.
Kaya nga eh.
You almost could, man! So walk near the pin. I mean the
up to the neck.
Yan.
Ay! Shit!
Ako na magawa ito.
Ayan.
Yan, dyan.
Okay.
But that's why you have to scrape it. Kasi hold it up, tapos ganun.
Oh shit, kawawa naman.
Saan lang, ganun. Ano sa design? Paano magawa?
Joanna, you need to do it fast.
I know.
Ay, di ba tapos?
Wait.
Oy! It's moving!
Stick it in.
Yeah! Dad! We did it!
Be quick. So, JV, be quick.
Hindi ko maano eh.
Not that hard!
Oh my goodness.
Bleeding.
Relax, you did not hit the vein. You did not hit the vein.
Sige ba yung isa yun o? Ayun o.
It's bleeding, bro.
Ayun, shit.
Bakit ito gamit natin? May isa pa tayo.
Nasaan? Hindi naman yun yun.
Pang script na pa.
Tama
Scalpel
yan.
to eh.
Tama yan.
Scalpel yan eh. Sharp, bro. I don't matter na.
Tama yan.
Try yung the backside.
Wait, no!
No, backwards.
You're not supposed to use that. Yan nga eh.
What?
You're supposed to use that, not that. I'm sharp.
Scalpel to.
Yes, use that. Go!
Square your emitter.
Be honest. Do it now.
See? Isn't that not much better?
It's not.
Okay, fine. Use that.
Ayan, okay ito mo yan.
Nanginginig ako eh.
Ha?
Nanginginig ako. Cut mo nga.
Tuloy natin.
Up. Sige pa.
Hanggang sa may
Up.
next area.
Ito pa na to.
Fill up natin yung parang...
Ganun din, cut din. Diba?
Nanginginig ako.
Hanga.
May ano kayo? Baron. Ano yung... Ano?
Hindi mag-cut ata.
You need to cut it. You need to cut it.
Ito?
Yung ano?
Wait lang nga. Sige na mo, ayaw matanggal.
Sir,
Sir, we require assistance.
Wait lang, ayun. Wait lang.
Kapit mo kayo pa siya.
okay.
But it's very easy. Yun yung white na. That's your thing. Let's keep it up.
Sir, ayaw po matanggal.
Sir, what happens next?
Be quick.
Ay, ayaw
That is nothing. That's your...
Ay, ayaw mo. Ito sir, paano to?
What comes next? Sorry, question. Hanggang skin lang.
Wait.
Pawak.
May a borrow.
Thank you.
Guys, be quick, guys, be quick.
Good.
Sige. Bagal mo naman pa.
I don't think you're supposed to cut that.
Tanggalin mo lang para matuloy yung legs.
Galang. Okay. You can plate it.
Oh shit.
That's how it's gonna look like after you guys are done.
Hey, is somebody fetch Eugene outside?
Oh my goodness. Sir, is that normal?
Ania, what is that?
Is that normal?
Still alive.
Yeah, so I'll find it out, okay? Just concentrate on that.
Saka yung pag na-lift na yung ano, whatever. Yung superficial fascia. Funny how I volunteered to do most of the cutting, but you're not cutting. But, yeah, nga eh.
Sir?
Si Lolo.
But be quick, guys.
Ito lang.
Sir?
Oh, yun na, no? Let's cut through na.
Sir?
Pa-ay.
Sir? Oh.
Normal? What, did he say it's normal?
Yeah.
Whatever.
I haven't asked him yet. Basta, I'll tell you. If it...
Hey,
Kasi parang...
Guys, do not hesitate. If you will
to become doctors soon enough, guys. If you hesitate, that's gonna be life-threatening, guys.
Ay, Paul! Ikot mo kasi yung parang the that connect the skin to the muscles. Or to the internal. Insert the red line in that case.
Yeah, nice one, Joanna.
Yan, yung parang clear.
Oh, wait. Is that okay. Wait. Higigitin mo nga.
Ay, Paul!
Ito pa, higigitin mo.
Sir?
Yung parang clear. Pati.
Sir?
Okay na tayo. I don't really know.
Ito.
Uh-oh, that's a vein.
It's a vein?
Yeah, that's a vein.
Oh, it's a vein though. No, it's skin, bro.
Okay na. It's good. Ano na natin?
Okay, let's go.
Paano to?
Cut
Ay,
it.
hindi.
Cut it.
We hold the middle, the bit lang.
This one?
Ito.
Not with that.
This one?
This?
Yeah.
May avoid tayo ng
Ano mo nga kasi?
Okay. Sige. Baka may magkatry na vein eh, wait lang.
Sir, with yung fire assistant.
Sorry po. Sir, paano to? Kakat pa ganun. Like where...
Sure, where tayo? Like, sabi ko sa'yo.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo, sinabi ko sa'yo.
Stop blaming.
Sorry.
It's not needed. It's not needed. Ayan na.
Dapat kita.
Okay? Continue until there. There's gonna be that artery there. Avoid that.
Sir.
Yung ano, purple?
Ay, mati mo yung parang...
My goodness. That's bad.
Oh.
Ay!
You guys cut a vein.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay lang yan. Kali lang.
Relax. That wasn't your first vein.
Oh god, that is just...
Let's do it.
Hey, got a vein!
The more you should go faster.
Wait.
Just don't cut the artery.
Wait lang. Wait. Di ko makuha. Ah!
Okay, we got a vein, man. Oh, it's dying, man.
It's already dying. As if we're gonna put it back together.
Eugene. Yeah, just call Eugene. Please call
Sige,
Eugene.
go.
Sternum. Oh.
Sure, we got a
Oh, we
vein.
cracked it open.
Sige, go.
Good.
Wait, careful. Dili heart eh. Careful.
Go. Sige, go. Kaya mo yan.
Hold it up.
Wait.
Skylar, front pocket in my bag.
Go.
So, hit the white. Ay, hindi. Ayun yung
Go
ano.
get it, oo.
Cut through mo yan, di ba?
Oo, kakontrol mo yan. Sige.
Go ka lang, keep going.
Sige, go ka lang.
Pwede ba pera muna ng ano? Mabilis lang. As in,
Yung ano? We're using it eh.
Yan.
Nice.
Matigas? It's hard to...
Ah, shit!
It's going off.
Sorry. Patingin nga, tanong nga doon sa toad na yun kung ano nangyari.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, it's bloated!
Oh my God! What? Come in. It's bloating more. This thing didn't bloat. Oh my goodness.
Be quick, guys.
No, don't. It will pop. I'm sure.
Go around the chin.
Picture.
What picture? We got a video. Fuck that.
Yan. Tapos ganun.
Ayun!
Tapos ganun na. Yung paay. Yun go. Cut.
Yunjin, you'll be just fine.
Wala ay.
Ano?
Parang ay.
Hindi ko alam. Ay, shit. Ito nga, ay, shit. Nakakabit eh.
Oo nga, wait lang. First one.
Damn, you really are doing a great job.
Cut mo na dun. Dito.
Sa may cut.
What do you mean, katrol?
Teka yan. Ay, ano yun?
It's bloating.
Really? That fast?
Ikaw nga.
Yeah, that fast.
This guy is a beast.
That's because you guys got the veins.
Tapos mo, wait.
Kami kung ano maputol ko dito.
Oo nga eh.
Ano to?
Exactly. Sure, it's gobbling.
It's bloating, just like that one.
Oh.
You guys really need to go fast.
Sorry.